The second part here, though, is that we're going to need to take DNA and turn it into RNA. And that's a process called transcription. I know that there are many concepts here, but the way I remember this is that DNA is letters, right? It's typing. RNA is also letters typing. It's just a different type of letters. And if I'm changing a type of alphabet to another alphabet, I'm literally transcribing something. I'm changing how it's written. So I'll draw this as 2 arrows because there's a first step here that corresponds to transcription. Transcription does pretty much exactly what we did on DNA, but for RNA. There is a molecule here called RNA polymerase that was discovered by Roger Kornberg, and he got the Nobel Prize for this in 2006. It's a very cool protein, and that is the one that creates this messenger RNA molecule that will then be sent on to the ribosome to build the actual proteins.